Hi, I'm Steve Wishau at PICO. We've managed all of our device scripts via our standard device library historically, and that's going to range from serial number generation to date codes to combining attributes to identify different part numbers, setting math functions or timers. All of those have been individually managed components, devices, and scripts to be able to set specific actions. We're integrating that directly into our action configuration wizard to start updating that management to make it significantly easier to utilize as part of work instruction creation. The primary benefit of these new functions within action configuration are related to these 6 categories here. The first is generating serial numbers to make a custom serial number by a combination of upstream scans, dates, and other static text items. It's a combination of different things that you might be capturing in your process, sequential number, any time or date to be able to manage those directly. Second is parsing an upstream scan action to being able to extract a portion of that upstream scan using regular expression patterns. It's effectively taking a long string of characters and only capturing a small portion of it that's relevant to your instructions. Third is an expiration check, making sure that when we scan expiration codes or dates, that it's within a right acceptable time frame. For example, if we're managing, epoxy or Loctite, we want to make sure that that lot of material is appropriate for our manufacturing cycles. Fourth is generating a date to be able to make sure that we are setting exactly a custom date format to put an appropriate timestamp on our work instructions. The last 2 items, math and a timer, are being able to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, or more complex formulas on your action results to be able to manipulate that result information into the format that you're expecting to with a variety of process constants. And finally, that timer is going to either start a countdown or check since the last completion to make sure that we're moving through our process in the right way. So all of these options are explained more on PICOMAS.com. Visit to find out more.